Bonjour, I am Jacques and welcome to Tuesday Tips. When I go to friend's house and I want to bring a little cake that's easy to transport, I love to do those little lemon cake. And I'm going to show you how to do one of those delicious lemon cake. So we start with about 100 grams of butter. So the butter is half melted and half soft butter. Then I'm going to add some eggs to it. So I have 5 eggs. My eggs, a couple eggs, and the sugar. I have the zest of 3 lemon. I'm going to put that there, so it's going to infuse everything. Add a little bit more eggs. You want that mixture to get light. So the mixture is getting very, very light now. I'm going to show you that. All I have to add now is the cream, the flour, which is 270 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Sift it together. Okay, I mix everything together. Now I'm going to put my cream. So that's going to give us a pretty liquid mixture. And of course, it's going to come together when we add the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. So it's a pretty easy recipe. Just going to add everything like that and mix the flour. The flour was sifted. For this type of cake, I love to use cake flour, a flour that's low in protein, so the cake don't going to be too elastic. Now we're going to spray some cooking spray into the mold. Of course, you can put butter. Okay, now I'm going to fill my mold here. You can put them to about 2/3, a little bit more than half. Let's put that in the oven. Okay, so the lemon cakes are pretty much ready. I'm going to take them out. Again, don't do what I do. Use a towel. And as they come out of the oven, I have 150 grams of water, 150 grams of sugar, and about half lemon that I smash in it. Now I'm going to strain that. And then I'm going to use a brush, a pastry brush, to add the sample syrup to my cake. And because they are hot, don't be afraid to wet them with that syrup. They're going to be moist and delicious. Okay, let's see if they come out of the mold. Oh, they do, I'm lucky. So you remember one of them was smaller, I put a little bit less butter in it. So let's keep this one for me and the other one for the guest. Voila, you can always add a little bit of candied lemon on top of it. You can add a little bit more syrup if you like. This is an easy cake to make at home. It's fast, you can freeze them, you can take them to your friend's house. They will love you even more. Thank you, bon appétit, I hope that helped.